my beautiful friend, I am back with clue number 2 of our year-long mystery crochet along. I hope you had fun crocheting that beautiful first clue with all those gorgeous diamond stitches. It was a fun and easy start to the project. For clue number 2, you're going to be making a square with adorable little puff stitches that are just sure to make you so happy. The stitch pattern is soft and snuggly, and it was designed to help you feel radiant and joyful. And the symmetry of the design is meant to inspire a sense of balance and rhythm in your life. So a couple of things for you. This clue is a square and it has rounded corners, so you do need to block it into shape. And then of course, as always, just make sure you're getting gauged so that you don't run out of yarn. The yarn color that we're choosing for our main palette this month is Bella. It's a beautiful, cool toned, soft silvery blue. And that's dyed onto our Crema Worsted yarn, which is such a soft, snuggly, luxurious yarn that will make for a beautiful long wearing project. Also this year we have beautiful limited edition custom bags and pins for this project. They have a gorgeous soft pastel tree design to remind you of the main theme of the pattern, which is Indivisible. We're all working together in this beautiful life experience. So you can use the project bag to carry your project throughout the year. And then the pin, of course, is wonderful to put on your project bag or as a shawl pin, whatever you like. And it's just meant to remind you of your wonderful time spent making this project this year. And to work this month's clue, you're gonna need to know how to work a couple of new stitches. To work our double crochet V, we're gonna start by working a double crochet into the indicated stitch, and then a chain 1, and then into that same stitch, work another double crochet. Very, very simple, and it looks like a little V. To work our puff stitch, we're gonna start with a yarn over, insert your hook into the indicated stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And we're gonna do that twice more. Yarn over, insert your hook into the indicated stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. When you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 7 loops, and then chain 1 to close up your little puff. So cute. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Twice more, yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and draw through all 7 loops on your hook and chain 1. There's your cute little puffs. Enjoy crocheting this clue this month, my friend, with all of its beautiful little puff stitches, and I will see you next month with clue number 3. Bye!